and welcome to Tech School with eevi. My name is Daryl, and I'm here to show you how to install the eevi Gateway 4G VoLTE. This is a powerful device designed to provide emergency support to those in your community at the push of a button. The eevi Gateway is plug and play, so it's easy to set up. The power cord is plugged into the back left-hand side of the gateway. Great, you're now ready to power up. Plug the power cord into mains power and wait until all lights appear green on the gateway. Make sure that the location set for the gateway is off the floor and away from water, preferably on a shelf or bench. When all 4 lights are green on the top of the gateway, we are ready to proceed with installation. If after 5 minutes all 4 lights are not green, please call eevi Care Support. Your eevi Gateway 4G VoLTE is now installed and operational. eevi. Care by your side.